Hey guys, Ross Hill here. I'm going to show you how to get the Trust widget installed on your WordPress website. So you just got to the part in the app where you want to install the code into your head tag. And you might be thinking, I have no idea what that is. So let me just tell you exactly how to do this for your WordPress website, make it super simple. So on our app, on app.sharemystars.com, if you go to that screen and you see the black box with the code in it, on the right-hand side of that box, you're going to see, of that text box, you're going to see two little squares laid on top of each other. That is a copy and paste button. So go ahead and click that so you're copying that code, and then come to your WordPress admin panel. So this is your WordPress admin panel. And on the left-hand side, navigate to Appearance, and then you're going to go to Theme File Editor. So you're going to go to Appearance and then Theme File Editor. Okay. So now that we're in the Theme File Editor, we're going to scroll down. Now it's possible you might get a warning that says something like, you're about to make changes to your website, that kind of thing. That's okay. We're not going to do anything crazy here. On the right-hand side, we're going to navigate to where it says header, header.php. So click on header.php, and then within this document, we're going to be looking for the head tag. Okay, so that's what this is. It's the head tag of your website. That's where we're going to install this code. So you'll see right here on the page, there on line 20, there's the head tag, and then on line 33, there's this / and then the head tag. That is the beginning on line 20 and the end. All you need to do is add that code that we provided you within that space. So you can click at the end of this line on line 32 and click enter and then copy and paste. And then as soon as you have added this head tag to your website, anywhere between the beginning of the head tag and the end of the head tag, which again, that's line 20 and line 33. So you'll see those two arrows, head, and then line 33, you have the / and head right there. Put the code that we gave you anywhere within there, and this is going to work great. So just copy and paste it in there, click Update File. No harm, no foul. That was super easy. I appreciate you guys hanging in there. Good luck. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But this is how to install it on WordPress. Have fun.